So good morning. I woke up in a place called Kendall, you know, just outside of Miami. In Miami. It's actually Miami. Kendall. Booked an Airbnb this side because we wanted to do, you know, a few rounds, you know, travel around a bit after the cruise. So, you know, we're at this place. That is a nice cozy Airbnb in a nice neighborhood, of course. We're just gonna give a little tour of the apartment. Okay, so as I mentioned before, I booked this space just so we could have some place for a couple of nights, 2 nights in fact. We booked it for $56 a night, $56 per night, the miscellaneous fees, bringing it up to what, like 164 thereabouts. Right. The place it's clean. It's clean. Alright, it's clean and cozy. Yes. You got AC, a nice TV with cable, internet.
Nice cozy space.
The bed looks nice. We'd love it if it was bigger and more sturdy. It's kinda it's not like home, put it that way. It's not as firm as home. Probably what we would have done was to take these out and put in an actual bed base. Right? Some beds, a lot of the beds come like this. So the best thing is to take it out, take these out and put in an actual bed base, so you get a firmer sleep. Yep. The bathroom, again, it's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. Yeah man, neat and tidy. Right. Don't know why a mat wasn't included. That's an issue. So when you come out the shower, you'd like somewhere to step, you know. So apart from that, the place is nice. It's basically what we bargained for. You know, I would have many complaints. Yeah, what you say?
Yeah, it's nice. Cozy, small. It fits.
Yeah.
Just for a few nights.
Right.
So we wanted a clean space that we can be in for a few days. So.
Alright, there's no kitchen. We knew that when we were booking because we didn't really need a kitchen because we're out more than we're in. You know, being on the go in America sometimes like that. If we were staying longer, then yeah. We're in Kendall, Miami. Kendall, Miami.
We're away from some of the big malls that we're used to going. So that's kind of a disadvantage, but not much because there are still some stores around and we got a car, so we'll just drive.
You could actually walk to like Burger King, Wendy's, the supermarket, the food stores are up the street. You could actually walk, like 10 minutes walk up the street, you could definitely get to those. But like the bigger malls now, you're talking about like Sawgrass or Aventura. These kind of bigger malls, they are a fair distance away. Yep. And this place is like probably like 40, probably 30 minutes from the airport. Yeah. Alright, so we will be doing more tours in and around Miami later on today.
Hot day in Miami, sun is out. Feels good to feel some heat because yesterday was cold. So it was definitely cold. There was no sun yesterday. We were all cloaked up.
Encore, name of the neighborhood, you know. And then of course you have have panache across the street. So we're gonna get some gas at this exit. From we got the car yesterday, we don't really top up, so we don't run out of gas. Yep. Yeah, so we're at the gas station and buy the gas and come pump it. You coming? Yeah. So what? 10 gallons for 30 bucks. From almost empty to like 3/4 tank, $30. Basically, it's a SUV this still, you know. Yeah, so I mean, engine, the gas tank bigger than a regular sedan, for example. And you have like 3/4 tank. Cass says she want go Dunken Donuts. So there's a Dunkin Donuts on this little stretch right here. So we'll go stop at the Dunkin Donuts and then we'll continue upon our journey. Yeah. Where's the Dunkin Donuts?
Yeah.
So I'm going to say. So wait, shopping. This is Miramar. We reach now, though. Miramar. Here we go. Get some like coffee and donuts or whatnot. Okay, here you go. Huh?
You can put the chip in.
Okay.
Why?
Okay guys, so we got back. We're back in the car. I got what is this? A decaf?
Decaffeinated latte.
Latte?
Frozen
with,
latte.
Irish cream thingy. I don't quite remember what I got. What did you get though? You got what?
Regular. It's a regular coffee. Regular coffee. I think we needed the Irish cream. As well, you get Irish cream too?
Yeah, I think I got the Irish cream.
I think two of us get the same flavor though, but she's ice and me is.
So we got donuts. Don't know if you can see.
One of them are Bavarian cream.
Yes.
And the other one
they're iced. They have a lot of sugar on top. One is Bavarian cream and one is vanilla cream. So I don't know which one. I got the Bavarian cream. You got the Irish cream. Looks the same way.
Yeah, because at the inside, really the filling from the inside make the difference. You know, so
let's dig in. Let's taste the coffee.
It's sweetened?
There's sugar in it.
Okay.
Another coffee fan, guys. It's alright. It's okay.
Yeah, Starbucks wouldn't sweeten. That's why I took the sugar to, you know, because Starbucks coffee normally you have to sweeten it yourself. You have a whole section outside to put the flavor and everything.
Sugar.
You know, so them do it everything from the inside. Dunkin Donuts versus Starbucks have messed away. All of the thing them, all the flavor in them on the outside where you can put on and add on, take off, whatever. Wow. So back on route now.
I haven't gotten any cream yet though. Waiting to get to the cream center. I'm gonna bite. Oh. Just good, but I think I got the vanilla cream. Let me see yours. Oh, you got the Bavarian. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Let me get a good taste of that one. I think I like it. That's nice. There it is, guys.
We could have seen the laser light them and whatnot. So, Hard Rock Cafe, crazy expensive rooms. You see me I say? Crazy expensive rooms. But if you don't have money for burn, you can definitely visit this place, you know? Yeah, man. Proper, you know?
Good view. No, this is a good view of it.
That's what the Hard Rock Cafe looks like at night time. Thanks for joining us again for another vlog. You know, remember to hit the like button on the video if you enjoy the content, and please subscribe so you can, you know, keep up to date when we post new content. You know, peace out everybody.